All right. Today I want to show you one of my favorite features inside of Map My Customers, and that is our Smart Planner. The planner itself is incredibly flexible. It syncs with your calendar, and what's great about it is no matter when you pre-plan or if you pre-plan at all, it is really useful to be able to take a look ahead at where you should physically be in the field, if you should be traveling at all, really. And so what we're looking at here is the planner view inside of web. Now this exists on mobile as well. It's the last tab of the application called Activities. And so this is really just the calendar view of the activities themselves, right? And so a couple of sort of extras on top though, and it's not just a normal calendar, right? So of course you've got your existing appointments on here. I'm looking at just the account owner, which is Rachel listed here. But if there's anything that I've planned ahead of time, like for example, there's records going over Cadence, I can click on that. If there's accounts nearby that I might be able to see next to a visit I'm already making, I can quickly take a look at that and see that on the map as well, and perhaps you know be able to just schedule that activity to the nearby customer at the same time I'm in that physical location. So it's great for understanding proximity of where you are, where you need to be in the field. We can see the week actually ahead on the map itself here. Now, this is a bit spread out just on this account, but you can imagine this would be, a bit more clustered together if you're going to spend time in a certain part of your territory. What's cool as well is you can actually build your own routes from here, right? So if I were to just click go, I'd be able to actually build out a whole routing flow for my week, and that would be my week. I would be, sort of planned up already for that week, and it would include all of my fixed appointments I've already got for the week. Plus, if I'm using my calendar to schedule out everything ahead of time, all the other activities I might want to do and the accounts I might want to visit. So if you're a manager, right? So that was from kind of like, you're out in the field and being a rep. From a manager's point of view, you can actually quickly take a look at more than one person on your team. So if I click actually on others, I can start to see their activities appear on the map. I can start to see, on the calendar that is, and I can also see their accounts on the map itself as well down here. So it's just a really good bird's eye view of what's going on in the field and where your team is spending time. So it's meant to be a useful productivity tool. Again, what's cool is you can go between list view, uh, which is useful in some cases, to the planner mode, which is like your calendar, to the map itself. And again, this all translates over to mobile. So no matter if you're at desktop, if you're on mobile, if you're in the field, if you're not, if you're planning ahead on your calendar or you're just taking notes, and trying to keep track of accounts you're going to visit in a list style format, there's a different way to kind of utilize this functionality to be more productive, right? So goal here is figure out how to like productively plan ahead of time and do it efficiently and get an understanding of where you need to be and when you need to be there and what other things you can do when you're out in the field to be productive, because you know the appointments and the areas you're going to already be in. So that's Smart Planner in a nutshell, and I hope you have a good time using it.